Before disassembling your iPhone, discharge the battery below 25%. Power off your iPhone. Remove the 2 pentalobe screws with the pentalobe screwdriver. Apply a suction cup to the lower half of the front panel. Pull up on the suction cup with firm. Create a slight gap between the front panel and rear case. Insert an opening pick into the gap. Slide the triangle plastic opening tool to the left along the lower edge of iPhone to break up the adhesive holding the display in place. Then slide the right side. There are cables in the inside of the right screen. Do not insert the triangle piece over 0.19 in/0.5 centimeters. Widen the gap about 10 degrees between front panel and rear case slowly. Use appropriate force to pull the top of the screen down to a gap of 0.4 to 0.8 inch. Turn the screen to the right gently and slowly. Attention! Do not raise the display more than 90 AA. As there are ribbon cables along the right edge connecting the display to the logic board. Remove 5 3.Y100 screws with 3.Y100 screwdriver. And remove the top metal piece. Place it orderly, don't mix up those screws and component. They need to go back into the same place were removed from. Otherwise your phone may be damaged. Remove metal piece. Use the plastic spudger to disconnect one battery cable and touch cable. LCD screen cable and handset cable in turn. Remove the screen. Remove adhesive strip. The cell phone battery is secured by 4 pieces of adhesive strips. Remove the bottom adhesive strip. Peel off the adhesive tab located on the bottom of the battery. Don't puncture the battery. Pull the adhesive out from under the battery, toward the bottom of the iPhone. Pull the adhesive out slowly and remove it. Don't pull too hard to pull the adhesive away. Otherwise adhesive might be broken and cannot pull out fully. Repeat for removing the adhesive strips on the top of battery. Remove the battery. Apply the adhesive on the new battery. Bend the battery connector slightly to fit battery slot. Place new battery in the iPhone and connect battery cable. Adjust the position of the battery, then press to fix the battery. Disconnect the battery cable. Stick new frame adhesive glue. Connect handset cable, LCD screen cable, touch cable and battery cable to motherboard in turn. Note: the screen cable is relatively fragile. You must hold the screen firmly during the whole process, and do not pull or squeeze the cable. Be sure all cables will go back to same place removed from and slot into place. Otherwise the phone may not work, such as touch function cannot work, or damage phone motherboard and display connector. Put the metal piece back and install 5 tri-point Y100 screws. Be careful not to mix the length of screws. Carefully press the screen into the top of the frame. Snap down the screen until it clicks into place. Turn on the phone. Test and make sure it is successful. If the phone cannot turn on, maybe battery is out of power. Charge it for 15 minutes. Then install the 2 pentalobe screws. Thank you for watching.